New feature alert, creating video quizzes for students with Screencastify.
Hello and welcome to Tech Tips with Cameron. I'm Cameron. Today we are diving back into Screencastify. Today's feature is all about embedding questions onto a video you've created and giving them out to your students as a quiz. So, how do we get there? app.screencastify.com or swing up to the extension and click on My Videos. Once you're in your homepage, you can see all the way down on the left is the quiz button. One cool feature of quizzes is that you can host them live in class. Now, how do we get going? We start by clicking New Video Quiz. Once that happens, it pulls up all of your videos. Once you've found the video you're going to use, click on it and press Select. But imagine we had a video that has questions or taught a concept and we wanted to pull student reaction and student knowledge out of what they've learned. This would be great for a check-in. This would also be great if you have a supply teacher for the day and you wanted to let the students hear your voice, hear your lesson, and give you the content that is in their brain right to you. How do you use it? Well, you just go to whatever part of the video you want to ask a question. Let's say it's here. What you're going to do is you're going to click the words, Add Question. You've got 4 different question types. You can ask multiple choice, a short answer, a note, or a poll. So we can get student thought, student answers, or a multiple choice question. So if we were working on multiplication, you could do like 54 times 20 and give a bunch of options for the answer. You could also make that a short answer question. Choose how many characters you want the response to be and how many points you want it worth. Click Save Question.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Now we've got one question that will pop up at 41 seconds. The same thing just goes on as we add questions where they're relevant inside of that. Inside of settings, you can choose if you want to prevent students from skipping, so they have to watch the whole video. You can enable translations, you can put a due date, and you can highlight past due responses so you know when students have done something late. You have a lot of control inside of this. When you're all done creating your video, and it's phenomenal, remember, you may want to edit it first, can then click Preview to see what it would look like. Preview gives you the student experience, so you can click Start the Video.
One amazing feature of Screencastify.
You can submit your own response and see how it works. When you're happy with that video, you can click Host Live or head back to your videos. When you do Host Live, students can join by email address or by name if they're a member of your class. You can say how much time you want per question, and if you were doing it as like a fun game thing, you could display it as a leaderboard. It's all done. We click on My Library, head down to Quiz, and we can see that our video quiz is right here.
I like it like that.
From inside a quiz, you can host it live, or you can go into the settings, share that video out, copy the link and post it on your classroom, or preview it again. You can also dive in, edit it, view your responses, and view your viewers. That's how you use Screencastify Quiz, a great way to capture student thinking and student ideas based on videos that you've created.
It's good to see your face.
Have an amazing day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.